Antonyms, opposites in English, Urdu and Hindi. Lesson number 19 by I. Fechtner. Wet, dry. Geela, Khushk. Wet, Geela. Dry, Khushk. To whisper, to scream, to shout. Sargoshi kerna, Cheekhnaa, Chilaana. To whisper, Sargoshi kerna. To scream, to shout, Cheekhnaa, Chilaana. White, black. Safayaid, Siyah. White, Safayaid, black, Siyah. Whole, part. Poora, Hisah. Whole, Poora, part, Hisah. Wide, narrow. Wasee, Tang. Wide, Wasee, narrow, Tang. Wife, husband. Biwi, Shoher. Wife, Biwi. Husband, Shoher. To win, to lose. Jeetna, khona. To win, jeetna. To lose, kho dayna. Winner, loser. जीतने वाला, हारा हारने वाला. विनर जीतने वाला, लूजर हारने वाला. विंटर, समर. मौसम-ए-sarma, मौसम-ए-germa. विंटर, मौसम-ए-sarma. समर, मौसम-ए-germa. To work, to rest. काम करना, आराम करना. To work, काम करना. To rest, आराम करना. Woman, man. खातून, आदमी. Woman, खातून. Man, आदमी. Women, men. Khawaateen, mard. Women, Khawateen. Men, mard. Worse, better. Badter, Bayhter. Worse, Badter. Better, Bayhter. Worst, best. Badtareen, Bayhtareen. Worst, badtareen. Best, Bayhtareen. Wrong, correct, right. गलत, बायां. दुरुस्त, दायां. Wrong, गलत, बायां. Correct, right. दुरुस्त, दायां. Yes, no. हाँ, नहीं. Yes, हाँ. No, नहीं. Yesterday, tomorrow. गुजरा हुआ कल, आने वाला कल. Yesterday, गुजरा हुआ कल. Tomorrow, आने वाला कल. Young, old. नौजवान, बूढ़ा, पुराना. Young, नया. नौजवान, old, बूढ़ा, पुराना. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. This was our last tutorial of the series of antonyms, opposites in English, Urdu and Hindi with meanings. If you have any questions or if you would like to comment, then please use the comment section below. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.